Dunn Plumbing and Heating has taken care of me for the last 10 years. There's no other place that I've ever worked at before that has made me so comfortable and made it so easy to grow and move forward. So I grew up in a family of painters. So I had a friend that owned his own HVAC company and brought me in under his wing. So about 10 years ago, I was in between jobs and I knew the manager of Dunn Plumbing and Heating. And I came and spoke with him. He offered me a job, showed me around and introduced me to the management team and a few of the technicians. Everybody had a really great attitude, a smile on their face, and a very relaxed atmosphere. They gave me the opportunity to present myself to people in a different manner than I'd ever been given the opportunity before. And I found that I liked it. I like talking to people and I like helping people. 10 years later, now here I am. The benefits most of the extra training that they're willing to let you go to really has helped me grow already. There's constantly new positions being created and opening up so that if you do feel at one point that you're ready to get out of the field, you're gonna be able to. It's great. I like it when teammates or crew members are able to have fun and be lighthearted, but still get down to business and get the work done. My very best friend in the whole world works here with me. I was able to get him a job here after I'd worked here for about a year. I've worked here long enough to have made good friends with quite a few of the guys that have worked here as long as I have. This company has made an environment, a culture of being light, but still able to get out there and help take care of the customers that are in need. Dunn Plumbing is great because there is no on-call. There are times, especially in the heat of the summer, when we have a lot of calls that need to be taken care of. And it's always appreciated when somebody's willing to step up and work past their expected time. But on the same note, they're not going to push anybody to work more than they're comfortable working. They let you know that you're going to be taken care of so that you can continue to take care of the people that they want you to help and take care of too.